So how to find entities and attributes for certain topics, right? And I'm gonna rephrase this question because many people don't understand like the meaning of entity. What is the definition in the context of semantic SEO, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and explain that. So an entity is basically a concept, and you might ask, what's the difference between a concept and a word? Well, a word, like let's say mouse, is an entity, but you have to specify what kind of entity is that, and to specify it you need context. And depending on the context, for example, computer accessories or animals or mammals, the meaning of this word would change. So we have this context here and we have this context here. So depending on context, not only the entity meaning would change, but also the attributes would change. Because with a computer mouse, right, I'm gonna draw it like this. There's a wheel, there's a wire, there's an animal mouse, right? Have these two and they have completely different attributes, but some of them are common attributes. For example, for a mouse you have like color, and you have color here as well. So these are common attributes that both of these entities have. But this has also buttons. This has materials. You cannot say like a mouse has a button on, or it has materials. This kind of a mouse has a color, it has body parts, and you can go look for values like ears, legs, and other types of body parts, right? Then you can have like fur. Am I spelling it right? I don't know. You have like fur, which is a value, and the attributes would be, I don't know. This is an attribute, right? So here's the scenario how Google extracts or retrieves information. You say, what animal, which is a class, right? Which is a context of a mouse. What animal has X type of fur? And if a mouse has a distinctive type of fur, for example, this is a hypothetical scenario. So if a mouse has some type of a fur that other animals don't have, then Google would extract, this is an entity seeking query, right? This is a query that's looking for an entity mouse, right? This is a mouse in the context of animals. So Google would search in the database. Of course, it's not gonna search it like you do, but it's just gonna retrieve that information because it has all the relationships already predetermined. It's inside of the knowledge base. So it's gonna take fur and a type and like a predicates like has, and it's gonna see that's an animal or a mammal. That would be more specific than an animal has X type of a fur, and it's gonna give you results like this type of animal has, it's gonna give you a bunch of entities, right, that have this type of a fur, right? And this is going to be like a value, right? So one of these would be mouse. And you might say, oh, that's what I was looking for. And if you want to go deeper than that, then Google can use your search history and your query log sessions and use contextual search to understand that you are looking for a mouse and bring it up even higher in the results just by understanding what you've been searching for. This is about sequential queries, and this is about contextual search, which is a very important concept in semantic SEO. And this is how Google can predict what type of an animal you're looking for, what type of an entity you're looking for. It's going to use all types of information, all kinds of information, just to serve you the best result. So this is basically how Google works and how it uses the EAV structure to extract or retrieve information. And this is what we learn in semantic SEO. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like. And I'm going to be releasing more videos like this. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below as well. And see you in the next one.